your secret out?
Man, whatever. I should've known I couldn't trust you anyway.
Wait a second. It's not like you Miss Innocent throughout this. I don't know who to believe.
George, what are we gonna do?
Well, we won't be able to get to the bottom of nothing until we hear both sides of the story. Or at least get the boy tested.
I don't know what's going on in your cousin's head, but whatever it is, tonight I'm determined to get it out. Well, how could you still love him after everything he did to you?
You little bitch!